Hello, my name is Natalia and I'm a founder and the owner of the exotic, luxury, VIP and all those fancy words car rental fleet in Miami. We are called G.M.Luxe, and if you already rented a vehicle from us, then watch this video to get a tutorial of one of my female drivers to how to properly use this vehicle. If you have not rented from us, then please follow links down below this video and make your future reservation.
Hello everybody, thank you for renting with G.M.Luxe, and today we are going to talk about this gorgeous Lamborghini. So here's how the key looks like. It has just 3 buttons: unlock button, lock button, and open trunk button. To open the trunk, just press on it and the front trunk will open. So when you press the button on the key to open the front trunk, it will pop open, but you need to open it further by pulling the trigger in the middle and just moving it up like that. Once you press the open button on your key remote, the door handle will automatically pop out. You just simply grab it and open the door. Now that we're in the car, we're gonna talk about some different aspects of what it has. For example, climate control, media control, radio, how to turn on the Bluetooth, how to connect your phone, and some other things that might be very useful for you when you rent with us. To turn on the car, we have to remove this panel from the start button, press the brake pedal, and simply press on the button. In the middle here, we have a big sensor screen. For example, if you need to change the temperature in the car, press on the top button here and it will show you what is the temperature in the car. You can change it, put it down or turn it up, as well as the vent strengths. Turn it up or down. If you press auto right here, the car will automatically adjust the temperature inside the salon. If you need to turn on the ventilation of the seat, these are the buttons for the heating, and these ones are for the heating from the passenger side. If we go back to the previous menu, on this button right here, you can adjust different radio stations, turn it on and off, and control the volume right here. Scroll it up and down. To go back, simply press this button and it will return to the main menu. On the right bottom corner, you have navigation button and the search bar right here. You can search any destination and the navigation will turn on automatically. To return to the main menu is this button on the left down corner. Now I'm going to show you guys how to connect your phone to the Bluetooth. Click on the telephone button and it will automatically ask you if you want to connect your phone. So, accept, then go on the Bluetooth settings on your phone and search for Lamborghini in other devices. Click on it and it will ask you if you want to pair. Press pair, wait a few seconds. So now you can see that Lamborghini is connected. You can play your music and talk on the phone. Moving on to the buttons right here just above the screen. This first button is to control the window. To put the window down, simply press on it and it will put the window from the driver's side down. And to close it, press the other way. This button right here controls the suspension. You can lower car and put it back up. This is the traction control button. This one is hazards. You can turn it on and off like this. This button right here turns off the parking sensors. This one is engine automatically will stop and start depending if you stop or start the car. And this one is the same controller for the window for the passenger side. Right below the start engine button right here, you have a gearbox. To put the car in reverse, press on the brake pedal and pull this towards yourself. It will put the car into reverse. To park the car, here is a button right here. If you press on it, the car will automatically go into park. This button right here puts the car in manual regime, so you would have to switch gears by yourself. The main gearbox is right here, but to put the car into drive mode, we would have to take a look at the steering wheel options. To put the car in drive mode, use the right hand side floppy pedal, press on the brake pedal, and pull this towards yourself. You will see on the screen in front of you that the letter P will change to the number 1. That means that the car is in the first gear. If you need to put it back into the parking, use the button in the middle console. In the middle here, we have different driving regimes. To turn to sport, simply press it down and you will see on the screen. To turn it into Corsa, turn it down one more time, which is like Sport Plus. To turn it back up, simply return up. So this is like a Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus. Right here, you have the parking brake. For added security, you can put the parking brake by simply pressing it up towards you and release it by pressing it down. This button right here controls the rear window. To put it down, simply press the button down, and to put it back up, press it back up. On the left hand side, you have further controls for the lights. This first button is auto. If you press it, that means that the car automatically adjusts the lights depending on the weather and day and night. This button right here is parking signals. This one is high beams. This one turns on the fog lights. But I usually put the car on auto so you don't have to remember to turn on and off the lights all the time. These are the controllers for the mirrors of the side view. If you need to adjust the left mirror, simply put the switch to the left side and move the entire controller to control and adjust the view. If you need to adjust the right side, press the switch to the right and you can adjust the mirrors to the right side. If you need to fold the mirrors when you park, simply press it down. To adjust your seating position, simply use those controllers right here. You can move it closer to the steering wheel or farther away. You can also move the seat up or down. This is how to open the roof. You have the controller over here in the middle console. Simply press it down and hold it all the way before the roof is fully open. Perfect. Now it says soft top is open in the middle of the screen right in front of you. To close it, simply put it up and it will close automatically. You need to keep pressing the button before the roof is fully closed.
Thank you for watching this video and for renting from us. If you still have questions, please contact us at any time. It was our pleasure to serve you and we're looking forward to serve you again soon. Bye!